Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First video on the Squad DEWC video. And if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you will know that I am doing the marshmallow challenge, trying to fit 100 mini marshmallows in my mouth. I did it with my mom, and now I'm doing it with Dale, who is also part of the Squad DEWC.
Alright. First 50. I can't do it that way.
You have to, no, you can't eat them. You can't swallow them. You can't swallow them.
I hate you.
I'm sitting in the back just eating marshmallows.
Raw pop. Nope. Ooh. It got stuck. Maybe on my palate expander, I started choking.
Okay, let's see if you can eat 100 marshmallows.
Fine.
Alright, go back to scene. Dale, if you can come back on. Oh my gosh.
What were in these cups, anyways?
I don't know.
You know what?
Come on. That's yours.
Yeah.
It was this.
What is it?
It's a stuffy.
Okay, fine, I won't die.
Alright. We've just been notified that Dale will not die.
Let's go.
Oh, I feel horrible.
Why?
I just ate those 2 pieces of pizza. Those pieces are huge. Alright, guys.
First 50.
Done. We will be starting a series on a gaming series. If you guys want to stay tuned for that, be sure to subscribe, slap the bell, like the video. If you comment down below, we will shout you out in the next video. Dale looks not happy.
No, I'm happy. It will be shouted out in a vlog, gaming channel, gaming video, a channel with olive oil somewhere.
Yeah, we'll try and make a video like Super Mario Party maybe. Me and Dale both have Switches, so we can both get that.
I give up. I quit. I can't.
Dale quit.
Yep.
How much do you have left?
50.
50? You haven't even You didn't even finish? So what about the other cup?
I did.
It's full?
Yeah.
You can't...
Hold up, bro. I'm gonna slam it. Come on, sure.
Dale, I don't think is okay.
Nope, I can't do it. I want a sugar high now.
Okay.
Nice sugar high. So I saw Jumanji, Next Level, and I ate an entire bag of Sour Patch Kids and drank an entire large Mellow Yellow. I want a sugar high now.
Okay, this kid is not okay.
No, not. So let's play some Super Mario Odyssey.
Maybe. Alright. We will start a gaming series soon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see.
We will.
Hey.
Alright, bye guys.
Alright.